Okay, now I want you to tell me your best joke.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
This is a joke. A bear went to the grocery store, and then he bought 3 cartons of eggs, and now some girl came up and said, "Excuse me, move out of my way. I was here first when the bear was there first." And then the bear walked up and said, "No, you weren't. I was. You should have got 10. I got 12. So the lady just cut in front of one, and then lady said, "Move out of my," and then the worker said, "Get out of the bear's way so we can pay." Excuse me, I was in line first because I could pay more than him. So just let me do it now. Okay, that's done. Out and jump.
Was that a joke?